Okay guys, we're here at the Auto Elite HQ with the Fiat 595 Abarth. Very nice car, very desirable, very fast, and also very stealable. So we've installed the flagship model from StarLine. It's the S96. It's all controlled from the vehicle's original remote control. It's got 2 Bluetooth tags as well. It's controlled from the phone app as well, so wherever you are, anywhere in the world, as long as you've got the app open, you can see what's going on with the vehicle. What's great with this system, that even if you don't have the app open, you will get a notification if anyone is tampering with the vehicle. If the alarm is triggered, you'll get a phone call to let you know that the alarm is going off. So you're always in connection with the vehicle. What's great about the StarLine S96 is its Bluetooth tag. If this tag is not present, the vehicle will not start. If a thief steals the keys, he won't have this tag, so the vehicle won't start, and the alarm will be triggered, and the customer will get a notification and a phone call. Okay, so the vehicle is protected by a dual zone shock sensor. So you've got the warn away and the full trigger. It's got a tilt and motion sensor on there too. So if a thief jacks the car up, tries to tow it away, that's going to trigger immediately, and also from the motion sensor too. It's also connected to the smartphone as well, so you can see where the vehicle is anywhere in the world, live GPS tracking. Okay, so now I'm going to arm the alarm up with the original remote control. The alarm is now armed. To let anybody know there is a system fitted to this vehicle, we have the bright flashing blue LED. So now the system is armed. If anybody tampers with the vehicle, you'll get a warn away, and the customer will receive a notification on the app too. You also have the immobiliser as well, so without the tag present, the vehicle simply will not start. Okay, so right now I'm inside the vehicle. I've got the Bluetooth tag. As you can hear, the vehicle has just started. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simulate the tag not being present. Okay, so what I've done, I've removed the battery from the tag. So in effect, it's not here. Try and start the vehicle. It'll start for a second, and then it just cuts out. So the vehicle is now immobilised. No tag, no start. Don't forget, we've got the anti-hijack feature as well. You can also arm and disarm the alarm from the app too, anywhere in the world. You can adjust the sensitivity of the system from the app as well. And you can also disable any sensors you need to if it's parked in a busy spot. You can also remotely activate the valet mode as well. So if you're taking the vehicle for service, you don't have to give the dealership the tag key. You'll also get a full update on what's happening, whether the vehicle is armed, disarmed, and even if the battery is going low on the tag as well.